With the BMW Flexible Fast Charger, you can charge your plug-in hybrid or fully electric BMW on domestic as well as high current level electric outlets. The Flexible Fast Charger kit can be expanded with extra plug adapters to connect to market-specific household sockets or for different power outputs. For tidying up your garage, a wall mount with cable holder is also available. You can also connect to an industrial 3-phase socket. Depending on the available current level and used plug, the Flexible Fast Charger adapts its maximum charging power to charge your BMW. Connect the adapter cable suitable for your electric outlet to the charge unit by pushing the plug onto the connector until the locking mechanism snaps into place. Make sure the socket you wish to use has been checked by an authorized electrician. For safety reasons, it is not allowed to use an extension cable between the Flexible Fast Charger and the socket. Place the charge unit carefully on the ground or use the wall mounting kit to hang it on the wall. Plug the adapter cable into the electric socket. The control LEDs on the charge unit flash shortly to indicate a functionality check. The charging status bar on the charge unit flashes orange while the maximum charging power is established and charging is initiated. It turns blue when it's ready to use. Plug the charging cable into your vehicle. Charging starts automatically. During charging, the charging status bar flashes slowly in blue. To disconnect the charging cable, you need to unlock the vehicle to release the charging cable. Unplug the charging cable from the vehicle first, and then disconnect the adapter cable of the Flexible Fast Charger from the electric socket. You can carry the Flexible Fast Charger with you to use it at other places where you have access to an approved electric outlet. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.